Hi Linda, we have just logged into your lead pages and we're just now going to complete the setup of the payment button for the Ultra Shake. So we're just going to go into the Forever Ultra Shake and edit this. Okay, so we've done the sales page for the shake, and then at the bottom here I've just added a bit more text just to give them the instructions of what they need to do to order. So I've said here, once you order this, it will be immediately dispatched to you by courier and you should get it the following day. You can go in and change this depending what your delivery dates are going to be. You can obviously go in here and change the wording on the sales page. Then I've said here, use the link below to place your order. It costs 410 Rand for the shake and 150 Rand for delivery, which is a total of 560 Rand or $49. Try it and give me feedback. I would suggest here that maybe you put your phone number there as well, and also your email address here. It just helps to give that sense of personal touch and the fact that you're there for them. They're trying out a new product, etc. So you want to be there for them in case they have any questions about ordering, if they have any concerns. Then here I've changed the wording on the button. You can do that simply by clicking there and changing the wording here. Click here to order or whatever it is. Now where the link is going to go when they click on there, this is where it's going to take them to our Zaxaa payment page. So right now we need to go back into Zaxaa. So this is your we're in your Zaxaa account right now. Let me just go into the dashboard. Okay, you have integrated your PayPal button, so your PayPal payment processing. So what we need to do now is set up a new product. So we're going to products and we click on add. What we're adding is a new front end product, which is the Ultra Shake. So we click on create new front end. Okay, this is saying missing payment processor. Let's see if we can fix this now. Say yes. Okay. Okay, so the product name is here. You can always go back in there and change the product name if you wish. But essentially we're going to enter the details. Is the Forever Ultra Shake, and we'll put here you can, if you want have more details about what the product is about. This is the Forever Ultra Shake. We could call it weight control or management formula or something like that, but you get the gist. You can edit that. Then the product type is a physical product because you'll be shipping this out. So you want to ask them for the shipping information, so we'll say yes here. And then here you can upload an image of the shake itself. Okay, so what I'll do, I had actually started I'd actually set up this product already, so I just wanted to show you what you need to do if you're doing it from scratch, which is using the add new front end. So essentially it's all self-explanatory in terms of the what you need to put in there. So I'll go back to the one that I'd actually created. So if you've already created one, we'll go into manage as opposed to clicking on add. Okay, So this is the one I'd added. I'll click on it and open it, and I can show you what we put in there. So in here I'd put in product name is a Forever Living Ultra Shake, product description, Forever Light Ultra with I'm on a tiny shake. It's a physical product. Upload an image from your computer. I uploaded this image here, which is a similar image to the same image that we have on the sales page. So it helps us to keep some congruency there because they'll remember this image here. So we've used the same image here. Okay, then payment processes, we need to say yes, and then the currency will be US dollar. Zaxaa doesn't allow you to use, doesn't have the option to use South African rand, so our transactions will be done in US dollars. Excuse me. So the price here we've put is $49. So you can go in and change it there if you feel the exchange rate. If you feel the exchange rate changes, etc., you can always change that. Support URL. Put in your email address here so they can contact you in anything. And then the category here is health and fitness. Where it says hide from the marketplace, just leave these settings as they are. So here what I've done, it says add to customer autoresponder list. So what I've done, I've gone into your Aweber and I have actually created a new list in there. So what will happen is that every time somebody makes a purchase, their details will be added to that list in your autoresponder. Let me just see if I can access it now. I'll pause the video so that I can log in there and access it. Okay, so I've logged into your Aweber here, and what I've done, if we go to the lists, what I've created here is a new list. This is called Light Ultra Shake Buyers. So what you want to do is create a buyers list. Okay, so every time somebody purchases, you add them to a new list. So when you start your email marketing, you know that the type of messages that you'll be sending to your buyers list will be very different from the type of messages you're sending to, for instance, the people who are in your free health report list. You know these have bought for you, they already bought from you, they already know, like, and trust you. So the type of messages you're sending to them will be more buyer orientated, so selling them more valuable stuff, introducing them to new products, etc., etc. So your marketing message will be a lot different. So what I've done is that for this list here, your Light Ultra Buyers list, I've created I went in here and created a sign up form, which is this. I then took the code from here, and that's the code that we have put here in Zaxaa. So essentially this code tells Zaxaa that when the person buys, add them to my Aweber buyers list. Okay, so this is pretty much the product setup. Here we've put what the product name is, etc. What else do we need to do here? Don't worry about this affiliate program. Page settings. Okay, so the page settings, this asks you for a sales page URL, which is where this page is. So we put that link here. Okay. Thank you page. Now, so after they've made the purchase, where are we going to take them to? So I've created this thank you page. Again, I've created this in lead pages. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, so once they make the purchase, this is the page they'll be taken to. Thank you for your order. We have received your order for Ultra Shake. We'll be dispatching your order via courier, and you should receive it in the next 3 to 7 working days. Again, you can go in lead pages and change this. So this page in lead pages, I'll just show you, is this one here, light ultra shake thank you page. That's the page I created for you. So you can just go in here and edit that. If you need to change the wording on here, just go into the light ultra shake thank you page and make any changes that you see fit. So we have instructed Zaxaa to say once a person makes their purchase, send them to this page. Okay. Integration settings, do we need to put anything here? Okay, so first we need to save our changes.